Hey guys, just thought I would do a quick vlog here of how we've been doing with the buildings that we purchased last week. So we own again 4 buildings. One, two, three, four. Let's go inside and see what's been up and how bad of condition they are, because it's going to have to come a long way. So this section was built in 1910 and was an old vulcanization location where they would fix and repair tires. Became a car shop back in up and through the 60s. We've already brought over one A-frame of some leftover material and some other stuff for a project. And throw this piece of wood down. And then we've got a doorway cut through. And this is the fanciest of all the buildings because it is missing a roof. So we got a lot of work to do in here. It's going to take some money, I would think, but just a 100-year-old roof that's collapsed in. Got a drive-in door. And I think what's cool is that back in the day, this used to be completely able to open up 100%. So we are debating if we want to kind of redo that and make it what it used to be. This next section was built, and there you go, focus up. It was built in and around the late 30s and 40s. Used to be an old dry cleaning facility. So I've actually got an archive photo that I'll insert right here. And this whole section used to have like dry cleaning units. And we had the gentleman standing there in that back corner with the old system. Out back is where the old boiler is. And in the 70s, they were using this section up top for dry storage of people's winter coats and duvets they would store in the wintertime, during the summertime. But in 1970, this thing burned down. So we've got some damage to repair still, but will be a really nice little training zone and vignettes through here is what we're anticipating. And then into the main building. This used to be a 24-hour dry cleaning service. So you could come in and do your dry cleaning. Before that, before it was Mr. Wong's place, they were using this with Pepsi. They would bottle Pepsi and Orange Crush in these buildings. So they used to have apparently somewhere in this section a big old machine. And I think what's kind of neat about it is that some employee wasn't paying attention and he allowed his boots to make an indentation in the concrete when it was setting up. So we've got 6,000 square feet though in this facility right now, and just super high ceilings. I'm really looking forward to getting creative in here and seeing what we can do. Just from a pure design standpoint, I think we'll have some fun. Probably put a nice kind of tunnel here with a kitchen design. Maybe put above on the platform a conference center. Again, we've got a lot of creativity to come up with. There is a second floor to the buildings, and that's going to be where office and some more conference room for staff is going to be, break room, bathrooms, as well as the entrance into the secondary building for any type of training room area. So nice square footage for us overall, 14,000 square feet. Obviously, this is just stage one. This is office, showroom, training, some storage, retail. And even this whole section here that was added back during that 80 repair after the fire, we're going to be redoing that again, trying to bring it back to what it was, since this section and this section are historic properties. So they are contributing to the historic district of Rocky Mount, North Carolina. So we're going to hopefully make some real progress over the next few months. We have just been cleaning and cleaning and cleaning, getting all the debris and junk out of here that has been collected for 30, 35 years. My boy John, he had to haul out about 40 old computer desks that were stored in here from the community college that owned this property previously. And we've had a lot of old carpet that just was nasty that we've been pulling up. So we'll see how it goes. But thanks for watching. Video 1 complete. See where we get on the next one.